Where is it? I haven't received it yet. I've been waiting forever.
This is not a smartphone as you know it.
Is this a dream or a nightmare?
This is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The first to merge a pen with a phone. Galaxy Note is the power phone that forever changes how you work.
Is that the doorbell? Yes. Finally, here. Got it. Let's get into it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yes, the Note 20. Wow, what a masterpiece. I've had it for a minute because I wanted to test it first. When it comes to something like this is rare in so many different ways. Oh, where do I begin? This thing is just to a different level. I got the white, which is one hard to get. You don't get it when it really comes out. I got it now. Wow, this is just class. Yes, you have a hump, but you know what? I put a cover on it. It gives it a full protection. Now, we'll be doing reviews on the cover itself. That's a whole different video. If you're new, would you please go below, subscribe, hit the little bell, keep alerted of all my videos. Welcome, I'm Touchtone, and this is Touchtone App and Tech Trends. We'll bring you guys everything from budget to high-end trends. This is a high-end trend, but wow, is it a high-end trend, and wow, is it worth it? Absolutely, yes. They've never done a camera like this, number one. A phone that looks like this, number two. And in so many other ways, this thing is so rare. Let me show you, let me do an unboxing. Let me show you what I'm talking about before we can even get into this conversation. Okay, this thing's great. Now we're gonna unbox this. Check this out. This is out the box. I'm gonna peel this right off the back. Look at this. Wow, white. This for oh wow, amazing. We'll peel off the front. This is just too many words, and I'm speechless. Take this right off like that. Peel it right off. All right. Look at this. Look at that screen. Bezel-less. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's inside the box. Basically, it's the same thing as always. All right, so we're gonna look what's inside the box. We got the power brick, okay? Your regular power brick. We got in here, let's see, your C-type cable. That's it right there, C-type power brick. So you got your C-type right here connection, your speaker right here in the bottom. You have your pen, pull it in, push it in, pull it out. Clicks, very nice. Has a nice click feel, so you know that it's back and safe. Very important. I don't have no nails, so you gotta kind of push it in like that, okay? This is just great. You have your power, your volume rockers right here. Look at the side. Look at the bezel. Look at the camera. Beautiful camera. It has a little lip, but it's okay. Again, your rocker. Look at the back. Glass. Wow. Gorilla Glass 6. Is it? Wow. It's clear by now that Samsung has done it again, but this time at a different level. Rare in so many ways. Let's start with A65 Plus chipset. The Samsung has decided to leave the screen at the same size. That's right, 6.9. Not make it any bigger, which I think is a big plus, but less bezel equals more what? Screen real estate. Look how fast that is. They actually did not go up on price, but some situations it's cheaper than last year's Note. Super bright screen. Samsung decided to give us 3 years of updates. That's right. Samsung autofocus is a major step up thanks to their laser ultra focus module. Their selfies using the S Pen gives you the widest picture in any phone made to date. Samsung takes the title in this as well. A 5G, of course. Don't forget DeX, which is wireless. No more cables. That's right, no more cables. They hook up directly to your computer and bam. So if you love using DeX, there you go. So you've seen the unboxing for this. What do you think? Wow, isn't it amazing? The white, the hump, even the hump is awesome. I mean, this thing is just ridiculous, the size, the weight. I usually use the S20, which I have. I'm not gonna use it anymore. I have the Z Flip, I have the Fold, and I gotta tell you, the Z Flip is an amazing phone. I use it when I'm playing poker or I'm somewhere that I want to fold it in half, and it's very useful, but this is an everyday. The Flip is not an everyday for me. This will be an everyday for me. Until they come up with something better, I just don't see how they're gonna come out with something better than this, so more classier than this. It's not enough word to complete how awesome this is. What did you think about this phone? What phone do you have? To win $1,000, congrats to the last winner. On the second 2 videos, we announced the winner. Congratulations for you guys to be eligible to win $1,000 if you stayed this long. We're gonna do it within the next 2 weeks. All you gotta do is comment on this video, give it a like, and that's it. What kind of phone do you have? An S20? The OnePlus 8 is an amazing phone. Are you planning to get this if you don't already have it? The Buds Live I have. Wow, wow. I never liked any Samsung earbuds at all. The best sounds, no, but amazing fit in the ear, amazing features, amazing a lot. Beware of that, okay? That video's coming up. Everything we do here is easy peasy, Tone Squad for life. If we catch anybody wearing one of our t-shirts, you get 200 bucks on the spot. I appreciate you guys like always. Make sure you tune in to my new channel. Well, not my new channel, my wife has a new channel. You're gonna enjoy it. She does a lot of tech, she's gonna do all that stuff. You guys are gonna enjoy it. I'll put the information in the description below, not in this video, but in the next video. All right? You know how we do here, guys. Peace and grace, and catch the new tech way.